checking the table edge with an indicator on the Okuma grinder. This is a reference where your position at, you'd have to say this plug is the center, the table right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like it, okay. So we're approximately at the center of the table about now. We'll go back to do it back in reverse direction.
Speed up a little bit if you want to.
No, your speed's good. I think your speed's fine. Go faster, you can get an errant. You know, if anything, you might even slow it down a hair, but I think you're good. So basically, okay, it just reversed. So you got a 10th indicator, so you're basically around dancing off something off the edge. I mean, that little dancing is probably just, yeah, micro. Yeah. But you got something, you ranged a little over a 10,000th here. Right there, you're 10,000th. 10th and a half? Almost 2/10ths, right?
Almost 2,000.
Yeah, 2,000. Oh, thousands? That's thousands?
Yeah,
Oh. Oh, so that's, you're almost 2,000ths right there. Where would that be from? You got it where on the edge, or is it riding over the edge of the radius?
Which one is?
Are you on that edge pretty square, or do you think by chance it's pulling over the edge of the radius, meaning is the table dropping in the center? It really can't with such supports. I mean, I'd be really shocked to think the table's dropping in the center. By the way, here's how I'm assuming this is how part of how you clamp the head right here.
Just right there, yeah.
So you're adjusting the table angle right there?
Yep, that's where you can adjust it.
All right, and this is the head clamp. Here's your tail stock or foot stock, but here's your clamps on the back of that. And you have the same clamp system in the back of the work head. Do we want to run that indicator on the top of the table? Would that show us if the table is indeed, if you change that indicator to 90 degrees coming down on the top, are you going to see if the table is dropping off in the ways?
It would be going, according to this, if it's going down, which means your table's doing this. You know, because it's not, if it was going down in the center, it'd be positive. Because the radius is coming up, so we're going the opposite direction. Which means it's humping. If you put an indicator here, it would show it, it would be positive, it'd go up this way too.